Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop and everything concerning the crypto space. So today I want to talk about something very interesting. I want to talk about how you can get a cryptocurrency before it gets listed on Binance, how you can know a cryptocurrency that will get listed on Binance, and how you can make a lot of profit from a cryptocurrency that is about to be listed or just listed on Binance. Very interesting topic. Now, have you ever opened your Binance app and you just realize that a particular coin is getting over 100% profit in 24 hours, and the price continues to go up, and you start wondering what is happening? How did this coin become so big all of a sudden? Well, most times all this happen when a crypto project is just listed on Binance, and a lot of people don't know when these projects are listed, when they will be listed. So because of that, they come late to the party and they end up buying when the coin is already picking on the iPad and is about to come down. So what I'll be doing in this video is to be showing you step by step how you can know when this project will be listed on Binance. Now, one thing you can do for me in return is for you to subscribe to my channel, turn my bell post notification on, like my video so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to today's video. Now, if you open your Binance website, binance.en, I'm going to show you the exact place where you can, binance.com/en, right? I'm going to show you the exact place where you can actually see a new crypto project that have just been listed, right? If you open your Binance website, now you look for the announcement page. On the announcement page, you're going to get information about the crypto that is about to be listed. For example, if you look at this place, you will see Binance Launchpad. You can see a lot of announcements here, but for specific announcement of a coin new listing, you need to scroll to the end of this screen. When you scroll to the end of this screen, look at About Us. You scroll down to announcements. In this About Us, you click here. Now, the second place you can get information like this is on the official Binance Twitter account, because Binance will always tweet about a new project before they launch it on their platform to inform their followers, right? But the problem is I cannot open Twitter because my country doesn't support Twitter, so I will need a VPN, and I don't have a VPN on my system for me to open Twitter. But let's work with the announcement page. For example, you can see that if you are checking from announcement, make sure it is on this point, new crypto listing. Now you're going to see that there is this post that is said Binance adds Alice/BIDR as a new peer and stuff like that. Look at this. Binance will list Bonfida feeder token. Then later announced that Binance listings postponed. Now let's look for a one that have been listed, and let me show you how you can maximize this. If you click on view more, right? If you click on view more, you will see that introducing the Binance Beta Finance token sale on Binance Launchpad. This is on Binance Launchpad. Look at this. Binance will list Yield Guard Games YGG. Now let's click on this one, right? I like using real examples. Now this was announced on the 24th of September 2021. Now if you get this information, the next thing you're going to do is you go to Coinmarketcap.com. So when you see the information, that means the coin has not been listed. Maybe it will be listed the next day. So you come to Coinmarketcap and you quickly buy this coin. Now if you come to Coinmarketcap.com, what you're going to do is you're now going to search for that particular cryptocurrency, Yield Games. Look at the crypto here. Now you click on select. When you click on select, you're going to see the cryptocurrencies and every information concerning this crypto. One thing you can do is, if you notice from this place, Binance made this announcement on the 24th of September 2021. Let's check what happened during that period. If you scroll here and we come to the 1 month chart, we are going to look for on the 24th of September 24th 2021, 22, 23, 24. Look at it. Now this is on the 23rd. This coin was at $6.1. That was the price of this coin. And before then, on the 22nd, this coin was around $5.0. But immediately Binance made the announcement, people started buying this coin, and on the 24th of September, guess what? And now on the 24th of September, this coin moved from 6.0 dollars to here, this point it moved to $8, over $8, 6.0 to $8. That is a very big gain, and that is because Binance announced that we are going to include this coin on the platform. I said you will look for the contract address. Now if you see this crypto, this yield guide games, if you scroll down around this place, you see contracts. Under this contract you will see the contract address. You copy this contract address. When you copy this contract address, then you go to your trust wallet. This is an ethereum contract address. So you copy this, you go to your trust wallet and you buy in your trust wallet. I've made a video where I talk about how you can buy cryptocurrencies on your trust wallet using your Binance Smart Chain or your ERC network, that's your Ethereum network. So you can check out that video. I'm going to put a link in the description on how you can do that. But majorly you quickly go, you copy the contract address and you buy these cryptocurrencies and keep it in your portfolio. So when Binance now finally lists it, the coin price will start going up. By then you'd have been taking a lot of massive profit. Another way you can actually buy these cryptocurrencies, when you come here, you go to the official website of the platform. Now the official website is supposed to be included somewhere around. Let's quickly check for it. Okay, the official website of this platform is supposed to be, this is it, yieldguide.io. Now if you click on this yieldguide.io, this page will open. When the page opens, you will definitely see a place where you can buy from. Look at this, connect your wallet to start. So once you click on connect your wallet to start, then you click either your MetaMask wallet or your wallet connect. You understand? Then you click on your MetaMask wallet if you have your MetaMask wallet. If there's a trust wallet, you click on your trust wallet, you connect, then you can see where you can buy the crypto. Either you can buy from pancakeswap or SushiSwap or any other exchange platform like that. So guys, that is how you find a cryptocurrency that is yet to be listed on Binance, that is about to be listed on Binance, and you quickly buy the cryptocurrency, so that once the cryptocurrency is listed and a lot of people are jumping on it, you'd have taken massive profits. If you find this content very interesting, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. I have a lot of interesting videos that I would like you to look out for and check on this my channel. Please take your time and watch my videos. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video when I drop another interesting content.